nearby areas.
VPP chief Arden Basaima today denied the allegations that the opposition is not united. He said that the opposition parties will come together when it comes to state and important issues. He also said that the TMC and the Congress do not require the support for appointing Mukul Sangma as the leader of opposition, since they already have the numbers.
Said that why we don't want to have a kind of alliance with some other opposition parties in the opposition, because we've got our own belief, our own ideology. We may have some differences, in some other issues, so it will not look good, to express that difference when we are part of the alliance. So in order to get rid of that kind of situation, we choose to stay independently in the opposition. However, as we've said, we will work together on all the issues affecting the state and its people.
The BSF Inter-Command Women Wrestling, Boxing, Judo